I like to call this next lesson that we're going to talk about, pay attention. And this is very, first of all, everything that we're going to talk about in every lesson that I teach you, you're probably going to hear me say this is the most important thing. It's all very, very important. But one thing you have to realize in trading is that this is not a game, right? This keyboard that you see in front of me is how we make our living. If we push the right buttons on the keyboard, money comes out. It's like an ATM. But if you put the wrong buttons, it's going to cost you money. So you must be paying attention at all times. This is not for entertainment. Anyone who wants to try and day trade for entertainment, my suggestion is find your favorite charity and make a nice donation, right? We're not here to have fun. We're here to make money. It doesn't mean we can't have fun while we're doing it, but we are here to make money, and that's our number one concentration. So you got to be here all the time and in the here and now and be present. The next thing I want to talk about, some people, and when we start talking about our technical analysis, I'm going to start showing you some charts and stuff, think that the more indicators they have in a chart, the more bells and whistles they have in a chart, makes them a better trader. And it's actually the exact opposite. What we're going to show you in an easy to understand way is less is more. Less is more. We're going to have a few technical indicators in our charts that help us make our trading decisions, but trust me when I tell you, bells and whistles do not make you a better trader. Solid money management and knowing your technical analysis. Those are the things that are going to make you a better trader. The last thing that I want to talk about in this lesson, and this is very, very extremely important. If for any reason you don't feel 100%, you wake up in the morning and you have a stomach ache. You accidentally kicked a cat on your way into your trading room. Maybe you have a little argument with your wife or girlfriend. Do not trade that day. We need to be present 100% and concentrating on what we're doing at all times. Tomorrow is another day. There'll be plenty more opportunities to trade. So if for any reason at all you're not feeling well, skip that day. Tomorrow there'll be plenty more trades to do. Keep these three very important things in mind. Now let's move on to the next lesson.